Transfer BONK from bitget to Binance on PC. How to transfer BONK from bitget to Binance on PC? It's easy and simple. Now, first of all, make sure you are logged into your bitget account. And now head over to Icon Wallet. Now, after that, click on Assets Overview. Now, from the sidebar, click on Spot. And from here on Withdraw, click on Withdrawal. Now, as you can see, we have here USDT. Now, switch it and search for BONK, like this. As you can see, this is our token. Now here, click on on-chain. Now as you can see, the network is sold. And now we need the withdrawal address. Now go to Binance. And now click on deposit. Now after that, click on deposit crypto. And now as you can see, search for BONK that we want to receive. Now after you select it, now here in the network, make sure to select Solana. So after that, copy the withdrawal address. Now go back to bitget and now paste the wallet address. Now after that, click on next. And now as you can see, enter how much of BONK you want to transfer. And as you can see, the transaction fee is this much. And this is amount received is 0 because I don't have any BONK on my account. So if you are ready to go, just click on withdraw and it will transfer you to or redirect you to complete the buy process. So the transfer process, sorry. So this is how to transfer BONK from bitget to Binance on PC. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.